There are laws in Indiana that allow for criminal records to be expunged, that is, erased, or to limit access to those records. This can be very important and helpful if you have a record and are applying for jobs or housing or anything that requires a criminal background check. If you have an arrest record where you were arrested but were never convicted, in some circumstances it is possible to get an entire expungement, meaning that the full record is erased as if it never happened. There are only limited circumstances when a true expungement is available. But in every case in which you were arrested and there was no conviction, you are entitled to have the records sealed so that they do not show up on a criminal background check. The only requirements are that it has been at least 1 year since the date of the arrest and that you have no charges pending. So what if there was a conviction? Well, it depends on the type of crime for which you were convicted. If it was a misdemeanor, things like drunk driving, driving while license suspended, battery, then 5 years after the date of the conviction, you can petition to have it expunged. This is not a true expungement. The record is not completely erased. It still exists, but it is only available to certain law enforcement agencies. In order to qualify for this expungement, you must not have been convicted of any crime in the past 5 years, and you must have successfully completed all of the requirements of your sentence. Similar types of expungements are available in felony convictions, but the time frame is 8 to 10 years after the date of conviction, depending on the type of felony, instead of 5 years like for misdemeanors. It is illegal discrimination for anyone to refuse to hire you or to take any negative employment action against you based on an expunged record. It is also illegal discrimination for a professional license to be held up or suspended because of an expunged record. If you have a record that prevents you from achieving some of your goals, for example, prevents you from qualifying for certain jobs, please contact our office as we may be able to help you get an expungement or get those records sealed.